Good morning children, welcome to English class. How are you all children? Fine? Very good. Children, in our previous class, we studied leave application, formal letters and it was sick leave. Right? Means if you are having fever then you are taking permission from principal. Please grant you 2 days or 3 days, whatever you want, holiday. Right? Now, today we will learn leave application. If you want leave without having fever from principal, means children, you might have some other work also. It is not always that you have fever and then only you have to take holiday from school. It's many times you have to go somewhere or you have any kind of work, so that you have to take holiday from school. So what will you do? So today we will learn the formal letter means application regarding urgent piece of work. आज हम urgent piece of work के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. अगर आपको लीव एप्लीकेशन चाहिए हो तो विदाउट हैविंग फीवर, आपको सिक लीव नहीं चाहिए, आपको कहीं जाना है, कुछ भी ऐसा कुछ काम है और आपको लीव चाहिए, आप तब वो सबको कैसे लिखेंगे. ये मैंने आपको अभी असाइनमेंट में भी दिया है. आई होप आपने कल देखा होगा तो आपको अच्छे से पता हो गया होगा हमें कैसे करना है. चल लेट्स स्टार्ट. आप इसको application. So first of all, what we will do, first of all we will write date. So our date is September 2012. The principal. Gujarat International School Good. Sir. सॉरी चिल्ड्रन, हम इसमें बीच में सब्जेक्ट लिखना भूल रहे हैं, तो मैं इधर लिख रही हूँ। Okay children, now let's see how we have to write. First we have to mention date. हम सबसे पहले date mention करेंगे, then to whom you are writing the letter, principal, address, Raj International School, full, subject, for what you are writing this application. Okay, leave for 3 days. Now, sir. With due respect, here children, like I said yesterday, here you have not to draw line, here you have to write your name. Here you have to write your name. मैं ब्रैकेट में लिख देती हूँ। और मैंने आपको लिख दिया है ब्रैकेट में, here you have to write your name. आपको अंडरलाइन नहीं करना है, I have just left this space so that you will be able to write your name. You will write your name of class 6. Want to inform you that I won't be able to attend school for 3 days. That is from 6 September to 8 September. As I have an urgent piece of work. Kindly grant me leave for 3 days. I would be very grateful to you. Thanking you, yours obediently or sincerely. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको जो लिखना है. Any which one, anyone, you can write. From this, anyone, you can write. Name class. Now, अब मैं आपको इसका मीनिंग समझा देती हूँ. With due respect, कोई रिस्पेक्ट के साथ आप रिस्पेक्ट में लिखते हैं, आई जो भी आपका नेम है, आप अपनी क्लास मेंशन की आपने कि मैं जो है 3 डेज के लिए स्कूल नहीं आ पाऊंगा, स्कूल नहीं अटेंड कर पाऊंगा. फिर आपको डेट मेंशन करनी है, कहाँ से कहाँ तक आप नहीं कर पाएंगे. फिर आपने वो बताया, उसके बाद क्यों नहीं कर पाएंगे. As I have an urgent piece of work. आपको कुछ जरूरी काम है. अब चलन काम कुछ भी हो सकता है. आपके घर, आपको मान लो घर पे रहना पड़ रहा है, आपके घर वाले कहीं काम गए, बाहर गए हैं, और आप कहीं बाहर जा रहे हो किसी मैरिज पर्पज से, काम से घूमने गए हो, और एनी सो एंड सो वर्क, चलन कोई भी वर्क हो सकता है. तो हमने इसे यहाँ पे लिखा है अर्जेंट पीस ऑफ वर्क, नॉट फॉर अ डेफिनेट पर्पज. हमने तो डेफिनेट पर्पज से डाला, किसी को मैरिज में जाना होता है, किसी को घूमने जाना होता है, किसी को बाई चांस किसी और काम से कहीं जाना होता है, या किसी काम से घर पे रहना होता है, तो कुछ भी काम हो सकता है. सो वी हैव रिटन ओनली अर्जेंट पीस ऑफ वर्क, इसलिए हमने दिया है अर्जेंट पीस ऑफ वर्क. काइंडली ग्रांट मी लीव फॉर 3 डेज. अब कितने दिन के लिए आपको लीव चाहिए वो लिखो. फिर आई वुड बी वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू यू, जो हिंदी में आप कहते हो मैं आपका बहुत आभारी रहूंगी. दैट वी हैव रिटन इन इंग्लिश, कि मैं आपको बहुत आभारी रहूंगा या रहूंगी. थैंक यू, योर्स ओबीडियंटली और सिंसियरली, इन दोनों में से आपको किसी एक को लिखना है, ईदर ओबीडियंटली और सिंसियरली. Name and class. Understood children? This is your formal letter which you have written to principal for an urgent piece of work. Same day you have to write sick leave, that you will not be able to attend school for 1 day or 2 days as you are suffering from fever. And in that you can add just one more line that the doctor has suggested bed rest for 1 day or 2 day or whatever you want to add. Okay, so then you can ask them for holiday, kindly grant me leave for 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, whatever you want. And then same line, grateful to you, I would be very grateful to you, and that's same address from downside, thanking you, yours obediently or sincerely, and your name and class. Okay children, this is our formal letter. I know children, yesterday I could attend your live class, for that I am really sorry, but today I will definitely attend a live class and I want all of you to join it. Any query we will talk in, definitely discuss in live class, and this time I want each and every child to attend live class first of all. Second, I want that you should answer me children. Please speak up. Even small children of class 3rd, 4th, they speak, right or wrong. It doesn't matter. When you will speak only then I will be able to know that yes you are able to understand or not. First thing. Second, you have not to switch off your camera or microphone. Okay? Because it is live class. Only in this class we will be able to see each other. Right children? In live class we are in front of each other. So children, don't switch off your camera or mic. All you have to do is you have to switch on your camera, mic, and definitely you have to give the answer. Okay children, any query regarding assignment, regarding your syllabus, regarding your work, regarding your class work, anything we will discuss in live class. Second children, your exams are starting from 21st of September. Yes, you heard it right. Your exams are going to start, your midterm exams are going to start from 21st September. So children, work hard, start preparing for your exams from now onwards. Okay children? Any more thing? We will discuss in live class. Okay children? Bye for today. Thank you.